Audio check. All right. Uh, all right. It's actually 9 minutes to 9. So well. Okay. All good. There was no audio, but I think we're all good right now. Sorry. This is everything is quite excited for June 18th. So I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about the interruption, but it's okay. So let me share my screen para masaya tayong lahat. Also, would like to thank our sponsor, Annie, and who's that? Saxo. Okay, so Soul of the Market is not only for the local equities market, we're also with the global market. So we're the only game in town when it comes to global market. So I'm going to share my screen now for our charting. Uh, okay, I hope you can see my screen. I'm going to launch my chart Nexus. And let's see what happened to our market for this week, right? Half of the week. So our index closes at 7,501.65 with the value turnover of 1.7 million, that's 750,000. Is that correct? Let me verify. Yeah, that's 17 billion. So our market went up at that 6% from yesterday. So let's drawing natin how the market is going on, how the market is taking shape. Are we still on track for our bull run? Very much on track, right? So is it a bear na ba? Bear? Hindi pa. Diba? We are very much on track. Actually, if you look at it, if you take a closer look of what is our general market condition, drawing ulit natin. Free draw. What do you see? What do you see? Let me. Okay, by the way, sorry. For those of you who are watching, set your video quality to 480p. Okay, where's that? Okay, balik tayo sa chart. The index. So what do you see? This is a inverted head and shoulders. What's the opposite of the inverted head and shoulders? It's the head and shoulders. Pag head and shoulders, the right shoulder will always what? Go down. It will always go down further. So inverted head and shoulders is the opposite effect. Tama? So we're looking at what? We're looking at bouncing back to 7.5 in the near term, di ba? 7.6, 7.7 in the near term. So that's our how our market is taking shape uh, as of Wednesday today. Then, may mga nagtatanong na alt, BD, now, but before that, let's go to our from the previous planning session, let's go to our cheat sheet. If you have taken down notes last planning session, we have our cheat sheet. Siguro meron tayong mga ilang stocks na pili on the cheat sheet, those on the watch list, and not necessarily on the watch list, but was picked up by the swag radar. Okay, so first on the list we have Manila Mining B. Okay, Manila Mining B, SMA 20 over MA 13, so wala pa. It's not yet crossing, but there is what? The 20, the 2 million, the 20 million. 20 million siguro to. The 20 million shares traded. LC. LC not yet, but almost there. Okay, because the parabolic SAR, look at the parabolic SAR ng LC. It's about to change direction. Okay, so, and then malapit na rin mag-cross. So that's how LC is looking up. Then, IS. We have IS remain unchanged. SMA 20 over MA 13. So ayaw pang tumuloy, pero it's almost there, malapit na. Okay, so ano lang yan, consolidate lang yan, pero it's almost there. EDC, Energy Development, all right. Wow, Smart LTE is now sending me more than 100 Mbps. No, more than 1 Mbps, more than 10 Mbps of bandwidth. Well, thank you about that. Let's go back to our chart. EDC SMA 20 over MA 13. Okay, so it's about to what? The money flow index has already changed direction. Fund is going in, so this is about to change direction as well. Malapit na rin. So 2 to 3%. This is part of our hit list, cheat list. Okay, EDC on the swag trading system. So, score na on the first week. Pero cool lang kayo dahil hindi tayo chupitero, we're not in the business of making 6%, 8%, etc. We're in the business of making about 20%, 16%. This is why our calendar, kung nakita ninyo yung calendar natin, I will going to show you our calendar. Yan. I was tagged at that calendar. Medyo bumagal. Look at our calendar. Yung ating event calendar for Wednesday. Tingnan niyo yung picture. Bakit ganyan ang picture niyan? It means it's multiple bags or multi-bagger. So, yun yung meaning yan. Kaya ganyan ang photo ng ating event today. Because swag is not just about the swing or the, what do you call that? Chupita or whatever. No? It's about multi-bagging. And it's happening. Alright? So, EDC, right now, 2.3. Kung masaya ka na sa 2.3, then by all means, sell it. But if you look at the chart right now, SMA 20 over EMA 13 is not yet happening. Sure, just join in. Join in. People are already looking at your screen. Let me reply. Okay. OM. OM, wala talaga to. Doesn't really matter. Pero we just gave it a benefit of the doubt. SMA 20 over MA 13. Pero wala naman ang trade niyan. I don't think so. Manila Broadcasting. It didn't happen. Okay? The cross didn't happen. So we're still waiting for that we're still waiting for that cross and then eventually umakit na ng konti, but that's MBC. Nobody trades MBC. Anyway, nobody or few. All right. So how's our cheat sheet working? It's working all the time. PMPC. PSPC pala. Sorry, what's PMPC again? I forgot. No. It's not Felix. What's PMPC? Kalimutan ko na. Let me launch. 5 minutes. Ano yung ginagamit ko? Panasonic. Okay. Panasonic. The cross didn't happen. Hindi nangyari yung cross. Nag-bounce. Pinipik. Hindi nangyari. So, we're still going to be at the buy or at the cut loss signal. Then, SFIP. So, what we're doing right now is reviewing what we have listed from the cheat sheet planning session. So, kung ano nangyari sa mga picks natin. SFIP. Still, SMA 20 over MA 13. Nothing has changed except that it went down minus 8.4%. So, this is and money flow index is going in. The smart money is going in based on the money flow index. So, this is looking good but konti lang yung volume. Baka may nag-iipon lang. but generally it's a good ending. LCB, Lepanto B. Okay, Lepanto B just crossed, and then money flow index went down, meaning the funds went down. It goes up and then may nagbenta, the funds went down. So, sandali lang yung ano nito, sandali lang yung swag nito, sandali lang akyat. Then baba ulit, 80. But if you're making a good hit, on the average, you're making a good hit. No. 80. Makita. Alsons. Iba na yata yung name niya. Oh, hold on. Let me check for 80. Iba na yata yung meaning niya sa... So hold on. I'm just going to mask my screen for a while. I'm logging in for our demo account. 80. Yon. Sorry. Let's go back. Uh, plus 1.4% from yesterday because the swag already crossed. Yung SMA 20, MA 13 nag-cross na siya. Money flow index is now going up. So most likely we're going to experience another upward direction tomorrow until Friday. So we got a good hit on 80 TFC. Next, Philippine Tobacco. Philippine Tobacco still SMA 20 over EMA 13. Money flow index below 20% oversold. So, baba pa more. Walang volume, meaning no one's really actually selling. Then, what else? Vol. Vol SMA 20 or EMA 13 is still ongoing. No volume. No one's trading. Okay lang. Uni. SMA 20 over EMA 13 is still ongoing. Money flow index is going towards 20%. Actually, it's already below 20% oversold. Hintay pa ng konti, maybe 304. No volume, no one's selling. Ah, interesting. URC. URC, okay? SMA 20 over MA 13 is now still ongoing. Money flow index is going towards 20% oversold, but it went up. It went up from 196. It went up. It closes at 197.3, which is a good sign right now. May cross, but it's already reversing. So, yung mga nakabili ng 193, 194, yan. Others will going to sell at 3 pesos, 4 pesos. They will sell when they're happy. Pero if you wait for the cross, it will still go up from ilang percent bang up nito? Let me check. URC. So it's up 1.7%. So that's for URC. Alright? So congratulations, malaki-laki yan. Kahit na hindi yan yung mga, ano natin hindi yan yung mga top gainers, pero malaking difference yan. LMG. Halo-halo yung cheat sheet natin eh. Meron mga walang kwenta, may mga may kwenta. Okay. LMG, SMA 20 over MA 13. No one's trading LMG right now. Okay, so let's wait. It so happened that it's on the radar of the swag SMA 20 over MA 13. Then may nagtanong, SSI. SSI pwede ba? Looks like it's parang sagasa lang, It crossed slightly. Ito yung mga tinatawag na errors. Ito yung mga errors ng swag trading system. So the swag trading system is not a perfect system. This is not a 100% foolproof. Okay? So at least may mga errors siya, like about 5%, 5% of the 95% success. Okay? So like for example, this one. Hindi tumuloy yung cross or nag-cross siya pero bumalik ulit siya. It's like something like a whipsaw pero it happens. Okay? It happens like this. So this is what it is. Nangyayari siya, that's why you don't you always exercise your cut loss methodology. So sa swag trading system, wala sa component niya yung cut loss because cut loss is a different skill altogether. So yan ang SSI ngayon. So how are you looking at SSI? Probably it will go down to 2.64 pa. We'll wait for the money flow index to go down further para malaman natin kung ano yung what's the theoretical bottom. Okay? ISM, okay. Almost there. Yan niya. The parabolic SAR already touched the price bar of the last price of the last price action that was a while ago today. And then the money flow index is slightly going up. So pag nag-cross yan at nagpalit yung parabolic SAR, soon it will reverse before the weekends. Unless nobody wants to trade it. Diba? Lahat nakatutok sa double dragon, naghahabol, or something else, X, DD, X, Cyber, mga ganon. Pero make no mistake, tahimik lang yan, biglang zoom yan. Okay, so that's our market review from our cheat sheet on last Sunday. So far, if you have this cheat sheet, maganda yung performance ninyo generally kasi halos lahat ng halos lahat ng picks natin sa pool. Okay? So now we will proceed to the general market. Top volumes, our top active, still Abra Mining, walang kwenta, hindi man lang lumagpas ng 005, so let's forget about it. So do you still have my audio? May audio pa ako, no? Alright. Let's close everything. Manila Mining, like I said, SMA 20, MA 13 still ongoing. Cyber, sudden uptick, unusual movement. So, ganito lang yan. Kung di ka kasali sa chismis, huwag ka sumali. Okay? Otherwise, iiyak ka rin. So, kung dito ka for example, dito ka pumasok, ah, 65, 64, 66, okay? Okay, I'm already sending a warning message. Don't send a private message asking what we're going to do with cyber, okay? Because we are not the reason why you are at 65, 66, 64, right? Prim, same thing, di ba? Pinilit i-cross. Although it's a swag signal, na walang activity, bigla nagkaroon na activity, pinitik. Uh, PLC, the the price bar already touched the bullish parabolic star, di ba? So it will change direction. Pero hindi pa, not yet. Pagka yumuko yung EMA 13, MPI, EMA 13, SMA 20, forget about it. We have no business with those kind of patterns. Mega World, ganun din. So once it's crossed, like I said, when it EMA 13, SMA 20 crossed, yung price talaga niya pababa na. Okay, unless somebody will going to reverse it. Parang yung ginawa sa sa isang chart kanina. I think that was SSI. LC, ano yan, BHI, EMA 13 over SMA 20. So, ganun din. Manila Mining, ganun din. EDC, SMA 20 over EMA 13. Mabilis lang tayo because we already ran through it. Bloom, what do you see in Bloom? Bloom, okay. Dito nangyari yung cross. So where you should be buying here. Itong area na to. In this region, in this period. Yan. Ano yan? 4.1 and 4. Diba? Not here. Walang bumibili sa area na to. Okay. I don't know. Walang swagger na bumibili ron. SMPH, forget about it. If you see it, if you see the EMA 13 and SMA 20 na baliktad, you don't really waste time. Okay? PCOR, ito, SMA 20 over EMA 13. Pwede mo nang ilagay ito sa watch list. Because it's on the way down again towards what? 10.8, 10.6. So it's obviously nakita mo na yung trend ng PCOR kung saan papunta. OV, SMA 20 over EMA 13 still ongoing. But I'm not going to waste time with OV because it's only 13 and 14, 13 and 14. Diba? Or 12. Likewise, OPM, same thing, 10, 11, 10, 11. Diba? Walang mangyayari sa'yo dyan. MCP, forget about it. Mabilis lang. UPM, somebody asked about UPM. So if you're happy with 11, 12, 11, 12, maybe this is the time. Pag nag-cross yan, maging 12, 13, 14, sunod-sunod. Okay, so UPM, you can now start putting it on your watch list. Actually, if you want to make bodega or accumulate UPM, you can start tomorrow and hopefully makisabay ka rin sa mga nagbubodega wala nagbubodega actually. Wala rin may gusto magbenta. Yan yung istorya ng UPM. So kung makabili that 11, siguro swerte mo. So what's ang closing niya? Closing niya is 12. Okay? So kung makabili kasi uh-huh. Okay, we're back. Naging ano lang yung ating naging ano yung ating streaming. 21:45. So we're 45 minutes broadcast. We're already 45 minutes into our live stream. Where we are, MJIC, Swift. So we went through it already. All right. Let me refresh. Okay naman. So far, so good. So ATN, I think I went through that a while ago. Yeah. Maybe you just want to watch the replay. Kanina, pinasadahan ko kanina yung ATN. And then, saan na tayo ngayon? We're done with the local equities market. We're done with the post midweek market review. So far, from the past 3 days, swag trading system is performing well. If you're part of the planning session last Sunday, all our not all almost all or half of our list, okay, made a good performance in the past 3 days, and then it will go on until the end of the week. So on Friday we are going to have our market review once again. So after the local equities market, I'm going to cover now our global markets. So on the global markets, I'm only concerned on uh, three securities. I have coffee and I have mostly commodities or futures contract. So ayun lang ang tinetrade ko ngayon sa global market. I don't do forex for now. I don't do things like that for now because commodities. I mean, I feel commodities is a much more exciting market to trade on in the global market. So for the global market, for the benefit of those who are reading the news, let's go to Brent. Okay. So Brent, let's look at that. If you're trading oil, it's already at $50 Brent. It's already $50. Actually, it's already 48 now. 48.92 right now. So pag nag-cross yung swag, where I'm also using swag trading system when trading the global market. So pag tinignan nyo yung Brent oil, uh, pabagsak na to ulit, going to 47 downwards. Kasi pag nag-cross yung EMA 13 over SMA 20, you know what will going to happen, right? So on the counterpart of that, we have WTI. So hindi natin mag-load WTI. Come on. WTI nag-cross na. Nung nag-cross na siya, it went down to 47.81. So tuloy-tuloy na yan. Tutuloy-tuloy na yan towards 45, 46. Alright? So then let's wait for hintayin natin yung next theoretical bottom before we re-enter WTI. Okay. So now I'm looking at I'm on the commodities index. I'm only trading coffee. I'm done with copper. Coffee. Okay, if you're into the futures market, coffee is KCN6, meaning uh, it will expire. It will mature on July 2016. And if you're familiar with the commodities month code, N stands for July. Coffee, by the way, is traded. Coffee, by the way, is traded at the New York Board of Trade. Now, coffee is up 1.18% from yesterday. So it's a good market for coffee right now. But This is not a time to buy coffee. The time to buy coffee was okay at this period. Anong date to? This is this is between the first week of May, May 9 and May 16. Between May 9 and May 16. All right. No, sorry. First week of May and then second week of May. And then on last week of May and then the first week of June. So ayun yung season ng buying ng coffee. But I'm trading coffee since 109. All right. So 109, I sold at 135 already, but I'm still watching this price action because later on, swag trading system once again, MA 13 over SMA 20. Right now, coffee is bullish, so there's no reason to go in. Uh, hindi tayo nagpapahabol sa coffee, but the reason I'm trading coffee because there's a mas mabilis yung ano dito, mas mabilis ang pera dito in short, okay? So this is the global markets. Mabilis lang yung global markets kasi ilan lang ang tinitingnan nating stock, ilan lang ang tinitingnan nating securities. I'm only interested in coffee. If you're interested in something else, let me know and check if that is in the swag radar. All right? Because swag radar also works on the global market. All right, so that is for the global market. Our next market to cover right now is the Tirador exchange. Tirador exchange, all right? Currently, our TCX6 is still at 6,000. All right, but there are already bidders at 10,000. So if those bids and the ask match, our next closing price will be 10,000. Okay, TCX6. Although we have sellers at 8,500, but later on I'm just going to show you. How the transactions are going on once all the transactions are settled. Okay, so this is our TCX6 right now. So our spot orders for TCN6 is now at 10,000. Wala na yung 5,000. It's already 10,000. Those are the spot orders. The trading orders is now 6,000. Okay. So here, if you're interested with the calendar, you can keep your contract. If you're no longer interested with the calendar, you can sell your contract. Okay. If you want to just make money out of the contract. Okay, but if you really value the calendar, you're going to keep the contract. So this is how the futures contract work at Tirador Exchange. Then next is our much awaited Bigwasan 2016. So balik tayo sa discussion. We have two securities right now being traded. One is the TCX6, and then the other one, this one, Bigwasan. So far, we have Byron Geisler leading the bid, and Kiko Matos trailing. Okay, so if you're interested with the security, you start filling up our bid form, our doc form, so that on the cutoff date will be included on the bid. Okay, so this is so far our Tirador exchange happening. So this is ayun ang ating market, tatlo. Meron tayong local PSE, meron tayong global markets, and then meron tayong Tirador Exchange. This is our uh, alternative markets. Uh, and then alternative market, why? Kasi if you're already making money on PSE, you're already making money on the local equities. So pwede mo lang i-diverse yung iyong investment. You move to the global market and then you move to our Tirador exchange. So to expand your income. Ganon. Alright. So hindi ka lumilipat sa ibang market dahil you're not successful with the Philippine Stock Exchange. Like for example, lugi ka sa stocks, lilipat ka ng Forex, baka makabawi ka sa Forex, or lilipat ka ng global market, baka makabawi ka sa global market. It doesn't work that way. Make sure you're already making money sa PSE because it's a learning process. PSE is a training ground. If you're not making money in PSE, you're not gonna make money elsewhere. Alright? So yun, that's our market coverage. That's our market coverage right now for our three markets. Tatlong market na kino-cover natin during market review. Ah, so we're done with our market review. Our next portion, your favorite for portion. Habang meron pa tayong stream, I'm now going to shut off my screen sharing. Alright. Black naman ulit. It's our fan sign. Mirlando Cortez, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Almost 10. Yung mga na-late, meron tayong replay, don't worry. Randolph Albano, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Yung mga Pinoy mahilig sa mga double names. Den, Jun Jun, Bong Bong, Lot Lot, Pek, walang ganon. Robin D. Guzman, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Alright. Renz J. Togano, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Lester Santos, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Talaga. Hertz Saibal. Hirap. Ulitin natin. 'Yan. 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 Hertzaibold, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Tina Wabe, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Scroll, scroll. Shout out. Kenneth Raimundo, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Din talaga. Harrison Tan, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Daniel. Daniel Panganiban, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. See you tomorrow. Top backdoor session. Santos Mirandilla, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. Wag daw bombahin yung UPM. Wag mo bombahin, dahan-dahan lang ang kuha. Pitik lang, okay? Yung X, ano ba itsura ng X? Extra ko lang baka meron kayong alam sa X. Oh, SMA 20 over SMA 13. It's a swag pattern, very much favorable swag pattern. Okay? So pag nag-cross yan, pwede mag 17, 18, balik sa 20, balik sa 18, 19 at the most. But just wait for the, in fairness, just wait for the theoretical bottom, which is, I think, already nag-dip na at this level. The theoretical bottom is 15.48. So, okay na yan. On the way up na yan, pabalik. Pero still, trade what you see and trade what swag is telling you. So, yun ang yun ang story ng X. Okay na si X, swag yan. Alright? Si Crown, fan sign muna. Si Crown might go down to 1.99 lower. Jen Osorio, thank you for watching Soul of the Market. See you tomorrow. Top backdoor. Kung ayaw mo matend ng Lady Trade, not ayaw, kung di ka makaka-attend ng Lady Trader's Confession, top backdoor overview. Top backdoor session. Okay. Kita-kits. Alright, so dito po nagtatapos ang ating midweek market review. See you on Friday for our post-weekend market review, and then see you on Saturday, Lady Trader's Confession and top overview and backdoor session. So, kung kinalakas at sa mga OFWs dyan, on Friday and then on Sunday we have planning session. So mga OFWs, stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Mahal kayo ng mga kamag-anak nyo at pamilya ninyo sa Pilipinas. Alright? So thank you very much for watching Soul of the Market. I am now ending my transmission.